This is the car that got stolen on Power Tour, and we got it back. We're gonna do a burnout with it. What's going on, man? So what happened?
Well, some jerk took it, I guess, you know what I mean? And we took it on Power Tour this past a few months ago.
June, yeah.
Yeah, and it was the first show I took it on. We've been building it for 9 months. I've had it for almost 2 years now. Took it on its first show, went to the show on Saturday, parked it at the hotel, woke up on Sunday, and it was gone.
Yeah, it was gone. The little buggers. It sucks that they stole it, but the story of getting it back. What happened there? That's amazing.
So, as far as I know, my buddy kind of did the investigative work for us. He was kind of like, all the people whose cars were stolen made a Facebook group, and there was a few people in there that like took it upon themselves to play like detectives, like Sherlock Holmes to the whole deal. And when I found out the car was recovered, he called the PD that recovered it and talked to the detective, and the detective told him that 2 kids had saw it in a field, just randomly in a field, and they thought his car was way too clean just to be sitting in a field. And they took a picture of it and they sent it to a friend of theirs, and their friend recognized it from Facebook.
Yeah.
And then the kid called the cops.
That's amazing. Did they call the cops before you?
Yeah, they didn't have my number. They didn't.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess they didn't see the post that had my number on it or whatever. But yeah, they just called the cops, and to this day, I don't know who those kids are.
Awesome. So if you're those kids, they got a good shout out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
like,
come on, you gonna send them some swag or something?
I'll figure out something, man. I'll get Holly to work with me or something. I'll give you something, man. I'm Spartacus. I'm Spartacus. I'm Spartacus. It's crazy, like considering that situation, like car getting stolen, you kind of feel like you lose a little bit of hope in humanity with people. But then you come around stuff like that, and it just completely changes. And you kind of just realize there are still good people.
That's awesome, man. They didn't even do anything with it, did they?
No, like we pulled the tune, we pulled the file off the computer, and it doesn't look like in the time frame that they had it, they ever even started the car. You know, so, like you already went through the process of busting the column, which to just get it out of gear, I guess.
Yeah.
And then you don't realize you can start it.
Yeah.
Like, what kind of nonsense is that? Like, whatever. I'm not tripping.
No. Do you know if any of the other cars were recovered? There was 5 stolen.
The yellow 83 Malibu wagon was the only one that I know of that was recovered.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't in as good a shape as mine. They took the motor, they took the hood, they spray painted the entire car black. But thankfully, he's been using some kind of paint thinner or acetone to get the black off. It's got a long road, but he's gonna get it back right. I know he will.
Crazy. So we're doing burnout?
Oh yeah, man.
Awesome. You ready?
Let me get my key.
Good luck, buddy.
Gets pretty smoky in here.
Yeah. So what's your plan going in, Tony?
Put one in drive and one in reverse, and then just spin until I'm a human tornado. This car does great burn. It's maybe the best burnout ever. So let's dig.
This is the wrong end for the wheels to spin. Are you ready for a twin engine? That's the engine that's still running.
What's going on here?
Playing with Fairmonts.
Yeah. Fair monster.
Get ready to do some burnouts.
Yeah.
Rowdy.
So what is it?
It's 427 LS, LSX block, Callie's crank, Callie's rods, diamond pistons. Got oil pistons or piston oil squirters on it. Valve spring squirters. It's a custom built one-off intake, 1471 supercharger. So built it all to turn 8,500, 9,000 RPM.
Nice.
Right now we just got the underdrive setup on it. It's 15% underdriven, and so it makes 10 psi. We dynoed it there, and it made 1,150 horsepower.
Incredible.
Let's hear it for the Fairmont starter.
One-ton GM.
81, okay.
Yeah, anything from a 73 to 86 is the right width.
Okay.
You know, because these mounts just come straight down to the frame. The frame's the same width, and you don't have any trouble with anything.
Nice.
I put it together myself in 6 months. I had it running.
Nice.
I set the motor back behind the crossmember.
Mid-engine supercar is what you built.
Yeah, because you didn't have enough room for a radiator and all that stuff. Got an automatic hood.
Yeah, very cool. Nicely done. And way tucked in behind there is an LS engine. There's some hose clamps, but you see the pulley? There's the LS right there. What do you do for trade?
Well, I was a mechanic and a welder and a truck driver for a surface coal miner.
Perfect.
And then they shut the mines down, and I was a maintenance supervisor for the Green River District Health Department. It was 7 counties and facilitated things for them. And,
Okay. And then you just came across it and decided to build it?
well, I've been looking for one of these for about several years. And I was also looking for a 150 Chevy 57 150.
Yeah.
So I went to Greenbrier, Tennessee to look at this 57. This was out in the field on some pallets.
Nice.
Just the shell.
Nice.
And I bought it. I tried to buy both of them, but he wouldn't come down on the 57.
Can you start it up?
Oh, yeah.
I want to hear that run.
Cruise control.
Nice. Nice.
Backup camera.
Right on.
AC out behind the cab sleeper.
Nice.
It's rigged.
Right on. Very nice. Air horn? I knew you had an air horn. Okay, so we're pretty well wrapping up. That's LS Fest. Always nice to go to the Holly's trailer where they have all the parts that we need and the tech that we need. I think if you come to LS Fest, you get 10% off of whatever you need. Always a good time if you're going to buy some stuff. Come out, have a good time.